Methods for solving two-digit subtraction problems, Part 2. Featuring Miss Boyd, Miss Bryant, and Mr. Smith. Good morning, friends. Today we are going to continue to review two-digit subtraction. Yesterday we reviewed the hundreds chart and place value blocks, as well as regrouping. And today we are going to talk to a few more friends to find out what their favorite way to do two-digit subtraction is. Let's start with Miss Boyd. Miss Boyd, what's your favorite way to do two-digit subtraction?
Hey, second graders. I just wanted to let you know that my favorite way to do two-digit subtraction is breaking apart numbers. I hope you all are enjoying this little vacation break we've been having, and I cannot wait to see you in the fall when you're going to be third graders. I'll see you then. Bye.
I think I speak for all of us when I say we miss you too, Miss Boyd. We can't wait to see you either. Okay, so Miss Boyd said that her favorite way to do a two-digit subtraction problem is breaking apart numbers. So this is the equation we're going to look at today. We have 84 minus 46. When breaking apart numbers, we always break apart the smallest number. So in this case, 46. So I'm going to go ahead and put a TO above 46 to remind me that there are 4 10s and 6 1s in this number. Okay, if I break 46 down into 10s and 1s, the 4 is worth 40 and the 6 is worth 6. So I'm going to break this down into 40 and 6. So this is what that looks like. Then I'm going to further break that 6 down. And the way I'm going to know what to break it into, because I can break 6 into 3 and 3, or 6 and 0, or 1 and 5. But the way I'm going to know is I'm going to look at this number, which is a 4. So I'm going to pull this 4 out of the 6. And what do I add to 4 to make 6? Very good, 2. So right now, the numbers I'm going to concentrate on is I have broke my 46 into a 40, and my 6 into a 4 and a 2. So these circled numbers are the numbers I'm going to take away. Now some of us can actually do this mentally. We could say if I have 84 and I take away 40, since I'm only taking away 10s, that would be 44. And if I have 44 and I'm only taking away 4, then that would be 40. And then I just have to take 2 more away, which would make 38. So let's look at this a little bit closer. Let's break it down with some equations. So we're going to start with 84 minus 40. And once again, I only have the 10s to take away. 8 minus 4 is 4. And then this 4 minus 0, since we're taking no 1s away, just stays a 4. So I have 44. So now I have taken away this guy. He's done. So now I'm going to take away the 4. So 44 minus 4. Once again, in this one, we are not taking any 10s away, so it's going to remain 40, but 4 minus 4 is 0. So 44 minus 4 is 40. So now I have taken away this 4, but I still have 2 to take away. So I have 40 minus 2, and that equals 38, which I'm hoping is my answer. Does anybody remember what I can do to check to see if my answer is correct? I could fill in the 36 here. Or sorry, 38 there, not 36. What am I thinking? Okay, so now what I can do is I can add these two numbers together and I should get the whole. So I'm going to just take a little place over here to the side and I'm going to add those two together. So 46 plus 38, and because of fact families, that should give me 84 if I'm correct. So 6 plus 8 is what? 14. Very good. So I'm going to write my 14 down, but I can't have a 10 in the ones place, so I'm going to take that 1 and move it up here. Now I have 4 plus 3 plus 1, and that is 8. And I got 84, which means the answer 38 is correct. Thank you, Miss Boyd. Now it's time to hear from another friend. Miss Bryant, what's your favorite way to do two-digit subtraction?
Hi, second graders. Just wanted to let you know that my favorite way to do two-digit subtraction is counting forward on an open number line. Miss you lots.
We miss you lots too, Miss Bryant. So Miss Bryant says she likes to count forward in an open number line. Do you remember when we used to talk about starting from home and going to Disney World? But we didn't want to go past home and we wanted to make as few stops as possible. Well, I have written down our equation, 84 minus 46 equals something. Same equation. So because I know how number lines work, and the biggest numbers are here and the smallest numbers are here, I'm going to start on my 46 and I'm going to count forward until I get to 84, but not past 84. And remember, I want to stop as few times as possible because I want to get there fast, right? Just like if you're going from home to Disney World, you don't want to stop a bunch of times, you want to get there quick. So let's think, if I'm on 46, how many 10s can I go ahead to 84 without going over? So 4 plus what is going to get me here without going past? If I add 4 10s, I'm going to go to 86. So that's going to be past my number. So I need to back up. What if I add 3 10s? So 46 plus 30, what would that give me? 76, exactly. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to jump 3 10s. Of course, that is 30. And that's going to put me on 76. So now I have gone from 46, I've added 30, and I've made it to 76. If I jump another 10, we've already said we're going to have to go all the way past 84 to 86. So let's break it into ones. How far is it from 76 to 80? Let's start there. 4. So I'm going to jump ahead 4 ones. And that is going to put me on 80. Have I made it there yet? Nope. How much farther do I have to go from 80 to get to 84? 4. Very good. So I'm going to jump ahead 4 more, and that's going to take me to 84. Now my answer, of course, lies in the jumps. If you have 30 plus 4 plus 4, you have 38. So if I add those together, 30 plus 4 plus 4, I get my answer 38. Now, of course, I know that's correct because of the last equation, but if I didn't, I could add 46 plus 38, and I would get 84. Thank you, Miss Bryant. Now let's hear from another friend. Mr. Smith, what's your favorite way to do two-digit subtraction?
My favorite way to do two-digit subtraction is counting backwards on an open number line. That's probably what I would use. Hey guys, hope you all are having a good time. Hope you're enjoying yourselves. Continue to stay social distancing. Mr. Smith here saying stay strong, stay safe. Hope to see you guys pretty soon. Keep practicing hard. Love y'all.
We all love you too, Mr. Smith. Okay, friends, he says that he likes to jump backwards on an open number line to solve two-digit subtraction problems. Do you remember doing that? Once again, I have set up my equation, 84 minus 46, and I have put the TO above the 46 to remind me there are 4 10s and 6 1s. Remember, large numbers have to start on this end because the bigger numbers are always to the right. The numbers on this end, on the left, are the smaller numbers. So I'm going to start with my whole this time, 84, on my open number line. Now I'm going to jump back 4 tens. What is the value of 4 tens? 40. Very good. So if I take away 4 tens from 84, that means technically I'm taking away 40. So 84 minus 40, all we're doing is taking 8, take away 4, and we have 4, and the ones are staying the same. So that is going to put me on 44. Now I have to jump back 6 more. Now I can do that 2 ways. I can either, well, many ways actually, but I could either jump back the whole 6 ones or I could break that number apart. I think I'm going to go ahead and just jump back 4 ones first to get to a solid 40. Because 44 minus 4 is going to give me 40. But if I've taken out the 4 from this 46, that means I still have 2 left to jump back. So now I'm going to jump backwards 2 more. And that gives me the answer 38. For today's challenge, I would like for you to solve these 3 equations using one or all 3 of the ways that we reviewed today. These are the IXL lessons that go with today's virtual lesson. They are the same as yesterday. Remember, 20 is plenty, and have a great day.